Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to generate a full-length song with Gemini Lyria 3 Pro. So to do this you have just to go to Gemini and go to create music, and I already chose the Pro model, and I will tell him generate a full song for a Tunisian tech YouTuber named Ahmed. You can give him as much details as you want, and he will use like those details to generate the song for you and to make your song like more connected to whatever you want to create with it. So we are actually using the Lyria 3 Pro because it's the only model that can generate songs up to 3 minutes, because the normal like just Lyria 3 model, the free one, can generate only 30 seconds music. So that's why you should, if you want a full song, you should use the Pro model. And for sure we have to wait maybe 1 to 2 minutes for the like model, for the AI model to generate the music for us. Okay, our song is ready. Inside the machine. So it created like almost 3 minutes song for us, and like we can use it whatever like on whatever things we want. And to be sure about the model, you can create on the 3 dots below the song, and as you can see the model used is Lyria 3 Pro. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.